Most investors are watching AI stocks, chip stocks, and big tech, but almost no one is paying attention to what could quietly become one of the most powerful multi-year trends in the market: defense spending. Because with a renewed push toward military modernization, supply chain resilience, AI-driven warfare, and next-generation manufacturing, the companies sitting behind the scenes today could end up being tomorrow's market leaders. And instead of the usual giant contractors everyone already knows, we're looking at 4 under-the-radar stocks aligned directly with where defense priorities are heading. First up is CISO Industries, ticker SIF, a company most retail investors have never heard of, yet it makes performance-critical forged and machined components used in aircraft, defense systems, and power generation turbines. We're talking titanium, steel, nickel, and aluminum alloy parts that go into jet engines, landing gear, turbine blades, and other flight-critical hardware. And what makes SO interesting is vertical integration. They design, forge, heat treat, test, machine, and finish parts under one roof, which means better quality control and pricing power. The stock sits around $6 and is up roughly 68% over the past year, showing money is already moving in before broad attention hits. And operationally, the company is improving fast. Quarterly sales rose to about $22.80 million from $21.7 million. Net losses narrowed sharply, adjusted EBIT climbed, gross profit improved. Full-year revenue hit $84.8 million, and backlog reached about $119 million, which is more than a year's worth of revenue, giving forward visibility investors love. And here's the key: when aircraft production ramps up from companies like Boeing or defense primes, suppliers like CISO benefit early in the chain, making it a second-order defense beneficiary rather than a flashy headline contractor. Next is Coda Octopus Group, ticker Coda, and this one sounds futuristic because it is the company builds real-time 3D and 4D sonar imaging systems that let operators see underwater, even in zero visibility. Technology used for naval operations, port security, mine detection, submarine navigation, and protecting undersea infrastructure like cables and pipelines. And unlike many small tech firms, Coda is already profitable with strong finances. Revenue around $7.1 million last quarter, up 29% year over year. Net income about $1.28 million. EPS around 11 cents. Gross margins over 68%. About $26 million in cash and zero debt, which is rare for a small-cap defense tech company. And with rising geopolitical tensions and more focus on naval surveillance, underwater monitoring is becoming essential, not optional, positioning Coda as a steady institutional-style play rather than hype-driven speculation. The third stock, Vision Wave Holdings, ticker VWAV, is a much younger, higher-risk company focused on AI-powered sensing, radar, RF imaging, and counter-drone systems. Basically the future of autonomous, data-driven warfare, where sensors and AI detect and respond to threats faster than humans can. And the stock has surged roughly 345% in 6 months, signaling strong positioning by early investors. The company went public through a SPAC, which adds risk, but it's moving toward commercialization with follow-on hardware orders, strategic partnerships, and around $50 million in committed financing, showing this isn't just concept stage anymore. And as defense budgets increasingly shift from traditional hardware into AI sensors and automation, companies like Vision Wave sit directly in that flow of capital, making it high risk but potentially high reward if its tech gains adoption. Finally, Ondas Holdings, ticker ONDS, which has transformed into a serious player in autonomous drones, counter-drone systems, and secure wireless networks. It operates through autonomous systems, building AI-powered drone-in-a-box platforms for surveillance and security in networks providing long-range secure communications for defense and critical infrastructure, essentially offering both the eyes and the nervous system for modern autonomous operations. The stock trades around $12 and is up roughly 500% over the past year, with Q3 revenue hitting a record $10.1 million, up 60% sequentially, backlog jumping above $65 million, margins improving, and while still unprofitable, losses are shrinking relative to growth. And the eye-catching part is its pro forma cash position, exceeding $1.5 billion after equity raises, giving it huge financial flexibility to scale, invest, and pursue contracts. Though volatility and speculation risk remain high, putting it all together, these 4 companies represent different layers of the defense evolution: industrial backbone, manufacturing underwater surveillance, AI sensing and counter-drone systems, and autonomous drones plus secure networks, blending old-school defense strength with next-generation military tech. And if defense spending continues rising into 2026 and beyond, the beneficiaries won't just be the big names everyone talks about, but also these specialized suppliers and technology players positioned exactly where modernization dollars are flowing. Though these are still volatile speculative stocks and not guaranteed winners, which is why understanding the story, the financials, and the risks matters. And as always, this discussion is for educational purposes only and not financial advice, so make sure to do your own research before investing.